Manipur Governor Anusia Uiki, in the aftermath of the devastating floods that wreaked havoc in Manipur, met with President Murmu yesterday to discuss the relief and rehabilitation efforts for the affected population. The primary focus of the meeting was the hardships faced by the internally displaced persons residing in various relief camps across the state. Governor Uiki apprised the President about the recent floods and the relief and rescue work undertaken by the state and central agencies. Expressing concern over the plight of the displaced people, the governor requested immediate action from the President for the resettlement of the affected individuals to their respective places. Further, she sought financial assistance from the central government to support the displaced people in Manipur. During the meeting, Governor Uiki also congratulated the President on the smooth and successful conduct of the swearing-in ceremony of the new government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. She extended an invitation to the President to attend the convocation ceremony of Manipur University. In a separate meeting, the Manipur Governor met with Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman at Rashtrapati Bhavan and requested financial assistance for the state to aid in the recovery efforts following the floods. The President assured the Governor of extending all possible assistance to the state of Manipur during these trying times.